Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Montahir. Now I will present part 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, this part I will discuss about the functionality of each component and the full operation of the system in the part 1. For the circuit 1, there are two operations on the circuit 1. Okay, in the circuit, there are push button, contact, relay and indicator. The relay is used to control the circuit with high voltage or current. Indicator is used to indicate the flow of current. At first, the initial state of the circuit is the green indicator light up as shown in figure 1. If PB1 is pressed, so CR1 is energized and effect contact relay 1 and the red indicator will light up as shown in figure 2. PB2 is used to break the circuit. If PB2 is pressed, the circuit will return to the initial state. Okay, for the circuit 2, we can get two operations for the circuit. Contact can interact when the circuit is running. Push button and relay is used so that the contact can be controlled when the circuit is running. Relay out then only can be functioned when in 1 and in 4 is energized. Therefore, push button and relay that control in 1 and in 4 are only used to make the circuit operate. Okay, in the circuitry, we can get two operations too. In the circuit, push button, contact, relay and indicator are used. The initial state of this circuit is both indicators are light up as shown in figure 5. If the first push button that are connected to CR1 is pressed, both of the indicator will turn off as shown in circuit 6. Same goes when the second push button is pressed. In conclusion, to turn off both of the indicator, either one of the push button must be pressed. Okay, next for the circuit 4. For the circuit 4, we can get two operations. In the circuit, we use push button, contact, relay and timer. Timer is component used to delay a certain operation. To activate the timer, push button which is connected to X0 relay is pressed as shown in figure 8. Then the time start, the timer will count to 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, contact T0 will be activated and break the circuit and it will return to the initial state of the circuit as shown in figure 7.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shazib Adnan and I will talk about part 2 for number 1 and number 2.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will talk about part 2 about pneumatic circuit. Okay, the question that give us is step involved, discuss function for its component and full operation. Okay, pneumatic circuit using a Fluidsim, where I will discuss about the function for its component, where it is contain two double acting cylinder, 5.2 impulse valve, two force of pressure control valve, 4 3.2 way valve, and two force of air. Okay, for each function, I will explain. Okay, for two double acting cylinder, it force of air to move both sides where it has to port, where it outflow and inflow. Okay, meanwhile for 5.2 impulse valve, is linked between double acting cylinder where it will be more forward and backward to control flow. And for pressure control valve, it using two pressure circuit where it switch to the output. Also for 3/2-way valve is function to actuated when the roller level is pressed, and lastly to force of air to move both sides to control the circuit. Okay, next to the full operation, this actuator will run slowly than another one. Okay. Okay, now I will explain part 2.2. So it used two 18 cylinder connect to 4 3-way mechanical operated, and the 4 3-way connection P connect to pump unit and two pressure control valve in parallel operated to check valve, and T connect to 10 unit. Meanwhile, A and B connect to 18 cylinder. When you trigger,
my name is Muhammad Hakim bin Ahmad Subi. I will explain about part 2.3 and 2.4.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Ahmad Subri. Now I will be explaining part 2 about part 3. Part 2 number 3. So first I'll be starting with, this is a pump unit. It will go to T to the tank, and then the point P, it will go to A and P of 4/2 mechanically operated. Next, connect the check valve connected to the tank. For the connection 4.5 way, it will connect for A and B. It will connect to the two acting cylinder. So it will run like this. Nicely done. Next one, I will be explaining for part 2 number 4. For the first one is, this circuit use two set of two acting valve. It connects to manometer, and this circuit is just similar to the part 2.3 that I was just telling about just now. And these two acting valves connect to 4/2 way mechanically operated. Lastly, 4/2 way is controlled by this pump unit, and it controlled by the pressure control. This is how it functions. One of the valve move faster, and one of the valve move slower. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putra Hafiz Azmi. So I want to explain how the part 3 work.
Okay, now I want to show you how to draw the electro-hydraulic circuit and Fluidsim of part 3 figure 1. First thing, we need to find the actuator. Place the actuator here and double click it and make a spring return. And then we need to find the valve. We use the 3-2-Y valve and double click it and change to the hydraulically electrically to connect with the circuit and disable this one. and then connect the A from valve to the actuator, and P to the pump unit, and T to tank. So now we double click it to label it to Y0 to connect with the circuit. So now we need make a whole circuit for this mechanism. First thing we need to find the power source and the ground. So for the whole circuit, you know that okay, take this one and this one. For the whole circuit, we need to use the relay. Relay is a button, and we need to break the circuit. So make a break circuit. We need to attach the normally closed button. Okay, and now we connect this to the this and this to this one, and this one, and this to this one. Alright, and then we need to find the valve solenoid. So put this here and find the open, make a switch, connect this to the valve, and connect this to the this one, connect to this one. So label it here at 1, and this one forgot to connect, this one connect to this to make the whole circuit, and this one is to make CR1, and this one CR1, and this one we make a Y0 to connect this and this one. This is the relay for the CR1 to assist the whole circuit. So here is the brake button to make it the X2. So this is X2, this is X1. So we run it. Okay, and this we run it. Okay, so backward. Alright, that's all. So now I want to explain about the part 3, number 3. So here they want, after the start button will push, the oil motor will be start. After the 10 seconds, the main motor will be start. So after the 5 seconds, the auxiliary motor will be start. If you push the stop button, all the motor will be turned off. So here is the circuit. So for make a push and stop button, we make a whole circuit and brake circuit, and here is the relay, and then this is the oil motor, and this is a main motor, and this is a auxiliary motor. So here is the timer for the two motor. So here it is. So after we push the button, so the oil motor will be start, and after 10 seconds the auxiliary motor will be start, and then after 5 seconds the auxiliary motor will start. So after we push the stop button, all the motor will be turned off. Alright, that's all.
Okay, now I want to explain about the part 3, number 2. So this is my circuit I have done. So we push this button and release, it will hold, and push the button, release, it will hold. Push the button and push the button, it will hold. Alright, so to make the circuit, what we need is, first thing we need to make a solenoid moving. Set the two acting solenoid, pump unit, include the tank, and what we use here is 4 3-way mechanical. So attach A to this one solenoid, B to this one solenoid, and the P to the
farm unit and T to the unit. So adjust this, just click, double click, just press this, just change this to the row and way, and then this same way. So disable this one. So we wish this print return need to the print return. So they are really electrical. So the right way is already electrical too. So okay. Now we need to have a circuit for move this solenoid. So first thing we need to find the power source. So power source is here, and this is the ground. So what we need is we have to make the solenoid move left and hold, and it can be hold and or it move to the right and it can be hold. So what we need is the push button, the first circuit, and the relay. So we need to press the relay. We need the relay. The relay. So this one make a space, make this the connection. So the relay, this and this and this one, and this. And then a push button attached for the this one, and we include the valve for the left side. So where is the valve? So the valve solenoid for the left side. This here, this here, here, and make the same thing to the right side. And then include the relay. This one, include this one. This one. Alright. Now just we have to label it. So put the push button as a X1, and this one as a relay RC1. So this equal to RC1 1. So this is for the solenoid Y0. This also need to make Y0, and this one push button of push button 2 label as F2. Let's make this one to this one. This is the relay for the another circuit RC2 equal for RC2. So this one is valve for Y1. So here need to make a Y1 too. Right now we can run it. It's okay. Yeah, this is it. To this one. This one. I have a problem here. Okay, we can run it. So here, yes, just like that.